Welcome to another Simple Dad Mac tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the right click on your Magic Mouse for your Mac. So you've decided to change from a Windows machine to a Mac, and you're wondering how to right click on an icon using your Mac. So keep watching as I'll tell you how. To enable right click on your Mac, first open up your system preference. You can find this on the Finder menu. Click on the Apple logo, which is at the top left of the screen. Then click on System Preference from the menu. Next, find Mouse and click on it. Make sure Point and Click is selected. Then look for Secondary Click. Go ahead and enable this feature. Just below that, you have the option to choose right side or the left side. If you're a lefty, go ahead and select the left side. Now close the Mouse Settings menu and then try right-clicking on a desktop or an icon. And that is how to enable the right click on your Magic Mouse for your Mac. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.